Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we will learn how can we export data table data in CSV file or Excel file in Laravel framework. We all know in Laravel framework, we have used Yajra DataTable package for load data in Yajra DataTable plugin. So, this plugin has provided us plugin for add export button in Laravel DataTable, and then after we can easily export Laravel DataTable data in CSV file or Excel file format. For these things, we do not require to write bulk line of code, but we have to follow some steps for integrate Yajra export button plugin with implementation of Yajra DataTable package in Laravel framework. Now let's start discussing this topic. So this is our testing database. First we want to make one export table, and then after we want to fill that table with some fake data by using Laravel framework. So, for these things, first we have to download Laravel framework latest version. So we have go to command prompt, and go to our local host directory in which we want to download Laravel framework. After this, we have write, composer create project, then after we have write double dash, with prefer district, and then after we have write, Laravel/Laravel, with folder name export, and press enter. This command will make export folder at defined directory, and then after it will download latest version of Laravel framework. It will take some times for download Laravel framework file. Now we have opened this Laravel framework file in text editor. Here we can see Laravel framework file. So here first we want to make database connection. So, we have opened Laravel framework environment file, and here we have defined MySQL database configuration like, host is equal to local host, database name set to testing, username is equal to root, and password is equal to blank. It will make database connection. After making database connection, we want to make table in MySQL database, and then after we want to make table, and then after we will fill that table with fake data in Laravel framework. For this first, we want to make model class file. So we have go to command prompt, and here we have write PHP artisan make, with double colon model, with file name export, and press enter. This command will make export.php model class file, under app folder, one database migration file, under database directory, migrations folder. First we have open export.php model class file, and here we have write protected, with $fillable variable is equal to, first name, last name table column name in array format. After this, we have go migrations folder, and here we have open export table migration file, and here we can see up and down method. In up method, we can define table column name. So for this, here we have write $table variable with string method, and under this we have write first name table column name. So here we have first name table column name. Same way, we want to add last name table column name. So here we have write $table variable with string method, and under this we have write last name table column name. So here we have defined table column name. Now want to migrate this table definition to MySQL database. For this we have go to command prompt, and here we have write php artisan migrate command. It will migrate table definition to MySQL testing database, and it will make exports table in our MySQL database. Friends, this is our testing database table list, and here we have refresh web page. After refresh of web page, here we can see exports table has been created, without any data. Now we want to fill this table with data, so we have go to command prompt, and here we have write php artisan make with :factory with class name export factory, and press enter. This command will create export factory class under database factory folder. So we have go to directory and open export factory.php class. This class will use Factor library for generate fake data, and in this factory class, we have to define fake data with MySQL table column name. In this class, first we have write use statement with app folder /export class. Here we have include export model class in factory class. After this, in define method, here also, we have write app folder /export model class. Next under return statement, we have write first name table column name as key, and in value we have write $factor variable with first name variable. And in second key, we have write last name table column name, and in value, we have write $factor variable with last name variable. So here we have defined in which column, which type fake data has been generated. After this, we want to create seeder class. For this, we have go to command prompt, and here we have write php artisan make with :seeder with file name export table seeder. It will generate seeder class under database seeds folder. So we have go to seeds folder, and here we have open export table seeder.php file, and in this file, first we have write use statement with app folder /export model class. So here we have import export model class under this seeder class. Now we have go to run method of this seeder class, and here we have write $count variable is equal to 500. It will generate 500 fake record. Below this, we have write factory method with 2 argument, and in first argument, we have write export model class, and in second argument, we have write $count variable. After this, we have write create method. This method will create instance of the given model, and persists it to the database. After this, in seeds folder, here we can see database seeder.php file. So we have opened this file, and under this file, we can see run method. Under this method, we have write $this with call method, and under this, we have write export table seeder class. It will call the export table seeder class run method. Now we want to execute this database seeder class. For this, we have go to command prompt, and here first we have write composer dump autoload command. This command will regenerate the list of all classes, which need to included in the Laravel project. After this command your migration of fake data will working properly. Now we have write PHP artisan database with :seed command. It will execute database seeds.php class file, and it will generate fake data, and migrate it in export table. Friends, here first we have refresh web page, and after refresh of web page, here we can see exports table has been filled with 500 fake data. So this way we can generate fake data in Laravel framework. Now we have proceed for load this data in data table with export button like CSV or Excel file format. For this, first we want to create one controller class, so we have go to command prompt, and here we have write PHP artisan make with : controller, with file name export controller, and after this press enter, it will make controller class file in controllers folder. Now we have go to controllers folder, and here we can see export controller.php file, so we have opened this file. Next we want to download and install Yajra DataTable package. For this, we have go to command prompt, and here we have write composer require command with package name, Yajra/Laravel DataTables Oracle, and press enter. This command will download Yajra DataTables latest package, and install in this Laravel framework. It will take some times for download. After download Yajra DataTable package, now we want to download Yajra DataTables button plugin. For this, we have write composer require command with package name Yajra/Laravel DataTables-buttons, and press enter. This command will download and install Yajra Laravel DataTables-buttons package in this Laravel framework. It will also take some times for download this plugin package. Now we want to define application service providers details in config folder app.php. So we have open app.php file from config folder. In this file, we have go to providers array, and here we have write Yajra/DataTables/DataTables service providers class. Here we have defined DataTables application service providers details. Same way, we want to define Laravel DataTables buttons plugin details. So here we have write Yajra/DataTables/ service provider class. So here we have defined Laravel DataTables buttons application service providers details. Now we want to publish this service. So we have go to command prompt, and here we have write PHP artisan vendor command with : publish with : tag is equal to DataTables buttons. it will publish data tables button services in this Laravel application. Next we want to display export table data by using data table service. For this we have go to command prompt and write PHP artisan data tables with double colon, make export data table, and press enter. This command will make data table folder, and in that it will make export data table service class. So here we can see data tables folder, and under this, we can see export data table.php file. Under this class file, we can see export data table class, which has extend data table class, and under this, we can see data table method, query method, HTML method, get columns method, and file name method. In data table method, we remove this add column method, because here we do not want to add any extra column, so we have removed this line. After this we have go to query method, and we have removed this code, and here we have write $data variable is equal to export model class with select method. It will make select query and execute it, and fetch query execution data and store in this $data variable. Below this, we have write return statement, and after this, we have write $this with apply scopes method, and under this we have write $data variable. It will apply query scopes. Now we have go to HTML method, and here we have defined which export button we want to display above data table. So here we have removed all this button class make method. And in place of this, we have write button class with make method, and under this, we have write CSV. It will make CSV export button. And same way for Excel export button, here we have write button class with make method, and under this, we have write Excel. It will make Excel export button. Next we have go to get columns method, and here in return statement, we have removed all this code, and here we can define which column data we want to display in Yajra DataTable. So, here we have write column class with make method, and under this, we have write ID, so it will display ID table column data. Next we want to display first name table column data, so here we have write column class with make method, and under this, we have write first name table column name. Same way, we want to display last name table column data, so here we have write column class with make method, and under this, we have write last name table column name. After this, we want to display created at table column data, so here we have write column class with make method, and under this, we have write created at table column name. And lastly, we want to display updated at table column data, so here we have write column class with make method, and under this, we have write updated at table column name. So this way we can define which table column data in data table. So here are this class code is ready. Now we have go to export controller.php file, and here we want to import Export DataTable.php class. For this, here we have write use statement with app folder /datatables/export datatable. By using this statement, we can import Export DataTable class. Under this class, we have make index method with export datatable with $datatable as argument. Under this method, we have write return statement with $datatable variable with render method, and under this we have write export, so it will load data table with data in export.blade.php view file. Here we have already make export.blade.php file under this views folder, so we have opened this file, and in this file, we have already included all required jQuery, Bootstrap and data tables library link, which we can see here. We have also included jQuery DataTables button library style sheet and JavaScript library links also. Here we want to include Yajra DataTable button JavaScript library link also. For this, here we have write script tag with source is equal to Laravel expression, and between this, we have write asset method, and under this, we have write vendor folder /datatables/buttons.server-side.js. This library link is required for display export button. Under this file, we have write Laravel expression, and between this, we have write $datatable variable with table method. This method will data in jQuery DataTable. Below this, we have again write Laravel expression, and between this, we have write $datatable with scripts method. This method will create jQuery and Ajax code for initialize jQuery DataTable plugin. Now we want set route for this controller class, so we have go to routes folder, and open web.php file. And here we have write route class, with resource method with 2 argument. In first argument, we have write export, and in second argument, we have write export controller. So when we have write base URL/export in browser, then it will called index method of export controller class. So here our code is ready. Now we have go to command prompt, and here we have write php artisan serve command. It will start Laravel server, and give you base URL of Laravel application. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, here we have enter base URL/export, then on web page, we can see that export table data has been loaded in jQuery DataTable plugin. Here we can perform all jQuery DataTable functionality like searching of data, sorting of data, pagination of data, and many more. And above this jQuery DataTable, we can see CSV and Excel button. For export jQuery DataTable data in CSV file, or Excel file. First we want to export data in CSV file. So, Here we have click on CSV Export button. After click on CSV file, we can see one CSV file has been downloaded in our local computer. So we have opened this file. And in this file, we can see complete export table data has been exported in CSV file. Now we want to export data in Excel file. So here we have click on Excel button. After click on Excel button, after click on Excel export button, here we can see Excel file has been downloaded in our local computer. So in this video tutorial, we have learned how to generate fake data in Laravel framework. Then, after we have seen how to load data in Yajra DataTable plugin by using Yajra DataTable package. And then, after we have seen how to add CSV and Excel data export button for export data tables data by using Yajra DataTables button plugin, and add data export to CSV file or Excel file from data table without writing any line of code. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box. Or if you like this video tutorial, please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also.